Assalamualaikum. This math for class 7. Solve by graph thrice x minus 4 equal to minus x plus 4. Solution. Given equation is thrice x minus 4 equal to minus x plus 4. Taking some different values of x, we find the corresponding values of thrice x minus 4 and make the adjoining table 1. 3 points on the graph of thrice x minus 4 are, let's take difference value of x 0 and corresponding by minus 4, 2, 2 and 3, 5. See the table 1. The equation is thrice x minus 4. If the value of x is 0, then 3 multiplies 0, 0 minus 4 equal to minus 4. If the value of x 2, 3 multiplied 2, 6, 6 minus 4 equal to 2. If the value 3, then 3 multiplied 3, 9, 9 minus 4, 5. So the points are 0, minus 4, 2, 2, 3, 5. We got 3 points. These are the 3 points. Now we have to plot the points in the graph paper. Another equation there is minus x plus 4. This is another equation. See this. Again, taking some different values of x, we find the corresponding values of minus x plus 4. The another equation minus x plus 4. Make the table 2. Second table we have to make 3 points on the graph of minus x plus 4 are 0, 4, 2, 2, 3, 1. If see minus x plus 4, if the value of x is 0, then minus 0 plus 4 equal to 4. Then if the value minus 2 plus 4 equal to plus 2, minus 3 plus 4 equal to 1. If the value of is 0, then we are getting this 4. If 2, 2 and 3, 1. 0, 4, 2, 2, 3, 1. 3 points in the table 2. Now let's plot the 3 points from the table 1. See, from the table 1, we got 0 minus 4. 0 minus 4, 0 here is, this is x o x prime axis, y o y prime axis. We described it earlier. This side is plus and this side is minus, top side is plus and bottom is minus. Now we got 0 minus 4. 0 is here and minus 4, we have to come down 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the minus 4 is here and another 2, 2 and 1, 2 here and 1, 2. This is another one is 3, 5. 3, 5. See 1, 2, 3 then 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the plot 5. Then this is for 3, 5. This is for 3, 2. This is for 0 minus 4. Now 3 points we got. Now we have to join these 3 points. Then we will get a straight line. Now let's describe this. Let's take two mutual perpendicular lines x o x prime and y o y prime be respectively x axis and y axis and 0 be the origin. Now we plot the points 0, 4, 2, 2 and 3, 5 obtained in the table 1 and join the successively. We get a straight line in the graph. This line we described it earlier. Now let's go to second table. In the second table, we have got 3 points 0, 4, 2, 2, 3, 1. 0 and plus 4. See, this is 0 and plus 4 1 this is 0 1 2 3 4, this is 4 0 4, and another one 2 2 2 2, see 1 2, this line 0 1 2 1 2, this is 2, another one 3 1, see 3 1 3 1, this is 1 2 3, this is 1. Now we got 3 points. This point is 0 4 and this is 2 2 and this is 3 3. Now let's join the 3 point. Now we will get a straight line. This straight line and the previous straight line intersect at 2 2. Intersect in this point. This is C 1 2 1 2 at 2 2 intersect. So now we are getting the value of x. This both are plus 2. This is also 2. This is both are plus 2. Now let's describe this in the statement. See, again we plot the points 0 4 2 2 and 3 1 obtained in the table 2 and join them successively. We get a straight line in this case also. We observe that the straight lines intersect each other at the point 2 2. At this point, values of thrice x minus 4 and minus x plus 4 are equal. Note the statement. You have to write the statement like this. The solution of the given equation is the abscissa of the point 2 2, that is x equal to 2. Answer is x equal to 2. So note the statement. You have to write the statement like this. Note this in your copy, this statement and this. And I think you already understood that what I said. First, we have to find out the first equation, thrice x minus 4. If x equal to 0, 0 multiply 3 0 minus 4 equal to minus 4. If x equal to 2, 3 multiply 2 6 plus 6 minus 4 equal to 2. And if 3 3 3 9 plus 9 minus 4 equal to 5, then these are the points. Then we plotted this 0 4 2 2 and 3 5 and we join the line and we got a straight line. And here x minus x plus 4, if x equal to 0, plus 4 minus 0 is 4. If x equal to minus 2 plus 4 equal to 2, and if x equal to 3, minus 3 plus 4 equal to plus 1. These are the 0 4 2 2 3 1. Then this is 0 4 2 2 3 1, and we join this. We got another straight line. Now both of them intersect at 2 2, and 2 is the result. Therefore x equal to 2. Now you note this and practice this math. Thank you.